Aloha everyone and welcome back. There's a large misconception that you need lots of money to invest. What if you only have $10? Today I'm going to show you how to turn that $10 into more cash. Side note, you are going to need a brokerage account to start. And in my opinion, Robinhood is the best brokerage for beginners. If you need help opening an account or navigating Robinhood's website, click the link to our video. Once you log into your brokerage account, I'm using Robinhood today, it should lead you to your portfolio homepage. If you already have funds available, then skip ahead to the investing portion of the video. If not, I will show you how to add funds to your account so that you can start investing. Go to the Account tab on the top left-hand corner of the web page. Click on it and a sub-tab menu should appear. Click on the Transfers tab and it will take you to this screen. There are many ways to transfer money to Robinhood. Let's transfer money from a bank account. Click on the Transfer Money option. Fill out the first box with the amount of money you'd like to transfer. Today, all you'll need is $10. The From box will allow you to choose from what account you'd like to transfer the money from. If you did not add an account yet, you can add one from this box. The To box is where you'd select where you'd want to transfer your money to. If you'd like, you can transfer money once weekly, once to twice monthly, or quarterly. After you fill in the boxes, click on Review Transfers, then submit your transfer request. Do know that depending on your bank's policies, funds may not be available for use for a certain amount of business days, so plan accordingly. Now that you have funds in your account, click on the feather icon to take you back to the home page. If you look below your portfolio's chart, it will show you your current buying power. Your buying power is the amount of money you have to purchase a stock or ETF. Go to the search bar and type in the stock or ETF you want to invest in. In today's video, I'll be using Apple as an example. Below, you will see the cost of one share of Apple. Below that, you will see their chart. This chart tracks the changes of price per share of an Apple stock in the market. You can change the time frames below the chart if needed. If you scroll below that, you'll find more information about Apple. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will find a window with the options for buying or selling a stock. Some brokerages require you to purchase whole shares, but Robinhood allows you to buy a partial share. In order to do that, change the order type to Buy Order. Then change your buy-in from shares to dollars. This allows you to purchase shares or part of a share with a dollar amount. Enter $10 in the amount box. If you look at our estimated quantity, it will show the amount of shares you are purchasing. Because you are investing a dollar amount smaller than what the full share costs, it will display as a fraction of a share. Click on Review Order and then click Buy. Congrats! You've invested into a stock without even having to spend more than $10. To get your return, you're going to have to know how to sell a stock. To sell a stock, go to the same window where you purchased your stock and click Sell Apple. Once you click Sell Apple, a window similar to the Buy Apple one will appear. Make sure the order type selected is Sell Order. Then, under Sell In, select Dollars. Enter the dollar amount you want to sell. When you're satisfied, click Review Order and then click Sell. How simple! However, selling whole shares looks a little different. If you've purchased a whole share or shares, when you sell, change the sell-in type from dollars to shares. After entering the amount of shares you want to sell, click Review Order. There is a section that shows the shares available to sell, and next to it, it will say Sell All. If you click on Sell All, it will ask you to confirm once more if you'd like to sell all of your shares. Click Sell, and all of your shares are sold. Let's try Microsoft. Go to your search bar and type in Microsoft. It will bring you to the Microsoft stock page. Just like with Apple, displayed is the price of one of Microsoft's shares. Go over to the right-hand side of the page and click Buy MSFT, which is the stock symbol for Microsoft. Repeat the same steps you've learned with Apple. Make sure you select Buy Order as your order type, change the buy-in to dollars, and enter the amount you'd like to invest. then click Buy. It's that easy. Lastly, here are some additional things I think you should know. The stock market is open from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, so plan accordingly. Also, do keep in mind day trading regulations. FINRA, or the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, who oversees U.S. broker-dealers, enforces these regulations. A day trade is when you purchase and sell the same stock or options contract on the same day. This only applies for margin accounts. The regulation states that your account will be flagged and restrictions will be placed on your portfolio should you place 4 or more day trades within a 5-day period. This does not necessarily coincide with the calendar week. A 5-day trading period could be from a Thursday to the following Wednesday. To help prevent that, Robinhood keeps track of this for you in the form of a day trade counter, located in the Account Settings under the Investing tab. I hope you found all of this information helpful in your investing journey. Mahalo for watching and subscribe to learn more. Bye-bye.